No, it's Malawian.
Oh,
Yeah. So I'm going to clear something first. One, okufanele mina mangabe ndivula ama business, constitution ithi fanele nibale ne5 million ninayo yini?
No.
2, uvula kanjani ibusiness eyami ezweni lakini bangazi ukuthi uyalapha?
Yes.
I'm sure out of you guys mhlambe uyi1 abantu bakubo bayazi ukuthi uyalapha or ungani chemist. Number 3, we are not gonna mix ourselves nani ukuthi ni run ama business. Labantu bala eMpumalanga banayo i-right yokusuka la eMpumalanga baye Faraday bayolanda umuthi babuye nawo la. Abantu baseMpumalanga bane-right yokungena entabeni bayogubha umuthi. Bane-right yokuyongena emashishini bayofuna umuthi. The very same muthi okhuluma ngawo, you cannot take uye ezweni lakini uyolapha ngawo. I've been to Malawi. I've seen so many tricks ase-Malawi. Trust me. Siyacela asize. Esicelayo thina siyisas sithi phumani entweni zethu. Valana amashopu asifuna ukushare nani. That's the bottom line.
Yes. My brother, uthi wena thina as Gobelas we should work with you. Number 1, the same multi that you are selling to us. Do you even know what does it do? Where does it come from? I'm not talking to you, I'll come to you, thank you. Do you even know what does it do? Where does it come from? How do you use it? Do you steal with it? Do you palaza with it? You don't know that. But you are coming to our country and telling us that we should work with you. We are capable of opening our own chemistry. We don't need you guys. We don't need you. I cannot be a Gobel and hand in your twasa and come back to a foreigner and say, I'm looking for impact. I cannot do that. This is my country. You don't even have a paper and say, your paper, you did not get it right. You are operating illegally right now as we speak. So you cannot tell us and say we can partnership with Gobela and have a partnership and work together. You cannot tell me that in my country. Unfortunately, my brother, because if I can ask some of you, are you on Gobelas? Are you a Gobela? Are you a Sangom? Are you a Young? You don't know that. And many meet Kulu there has explained that some mutis, they need some certain steps to use. But you don't follow those steps. You just give a person muti tata na muti. Afelo muti. Are you going to take accountability? And say, no, a person is dead because of your own muti that you gave, because you had a certain Gobela said to you, a hungry Gobela at that point said, no, mutu ogla paruya palas. I feel no mutanga palas. I was saying a different way. That same Gobela will come back to you. Are you going to take accountability? At the same time. So you cannot be proud and call yourself, I'm a merchandiser. In whose country? You are a merchandiser in whose country? Please, go to your country and merchandise. They are 100% your country. People there in your country, they are sick. They need traditional healers. They need muti shops there. It was going to be so nice if you go back to your country and sell that muti there. We have our own people, we can sell our own mutis. So please, and please my brother, mind your attitude, I'm not your friend. Thank you so much.
Please.
Yeah, please. Sister, please don't be high.
Chief, listen, sihamba nabafazi bethu ungakhuluma nabafazi bethu noNonkroli amasende sinawo siwakhipha amanzi amasende mina njengami nje impilo ngiyithanda amanda agcwele emzini lonke asihloniphane bafowethu siyaxolisa yes sisacela ukuzolandela kukwami sicela abeke ipoint lakhe ubhuti
siyaxolisa because if there is something that we have not put right sisi siyaxolisa sicela usixolele. The only point I wanted to make, as for this, we are not teaching anybody how to live. Just as I have said in the first point, that the owners of this country have got the entire rights to do whatever they want because the law allows them. But even if anything, even sugar, let me use a simplest example. Even excess sugar can cause damage to somebody's body.
That's true.
So, if you don't know how to use sugar and they don't tell you that to put 2 spoons, sugar can kill you. So, we are not teaching people how to use muti, how to do it, but we are just saying that we are just assisting in the supply chain. And we didn't say that South Africans, they can't do it. They can stop, they can open up shops, they can do anything. So I'm requesting that we remain with that element of partnership.
Yeah, Ebe Malami William, but maybe it's okay slow because he has a slow couple, you know. Language, he has a season, but allow me to use English. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Kolo and the cabinet. Thank you, Mr. Organizer. We do respect you as well. On my point, I would like to say there is a certain group, they came to my store. They say, William, we have a meeting. Right? Then I said, no, there is no problem. I will be there. And I would like to know what is going on. Here we are. Please, this one I'm begging you, South Africans, or our people. We came to discuss and we see how we can resolve this, or how we can solve this. Because I know it hurts. Whereby someone from outside is the one who's giving you the knowledge into your country. Right? That one is number one. Number two, what I can suggest, let's do, I'm not like asking, because my shop is like, it is for stock for all the multi-shops around Woodbank. Right? Noma is Nabe, Noma Gopi. Mukulu, you know me very well. You know that Mukulu, he always bring the multi to me to sell for him. Akona Lab. Mabena is there. He's also sitting there. You know me very well. I supply you. Mukulu there, the one who is sitting there, is my client. He also is the one who reminds me. Mukulu there, the one who is sitting there, I'm working with him sometimes. So when I see like candle fighting, it won't work for us. We need different knowledge from each other. No one is knowing the motive to know it until you get it. Until when you say you are 100%. Kunezi to like us or like South Africa, we study. We say this must be this and this must be this. I've been operating for almost 7 years in the multi shop. I never get any complaint through my customers. And they say, this is the chemistry, he do this and this and this. But why? Now it comes to the extent whereby, if we say these things must be sold by South Africans, we can agree. Very well? We can supply it. Very well? But let's not fight. What I don't want is like fighting, exchanging words. That is not right. We've been working together. I know him also. I know a lot of people here. All of the faces, most of them.
You know them.
We've been working together. So I don't want like extending words, fighting, wata. Let's come to the conclusion and the better way we see how we can solve this. Thank you so much.
Bebahamba bangena emakhemist wethu bafuna ukwazi ngemithi bafuna ukwazi ngama-price but ikhemist yagcina ingasaperformi kahle and ikhemist yayisebenza because kwakunamakhemist ayi-2 edrobheni engeke ngiwa-identify then bona baqala bangena bakwenza lokho abakwenzayo bafuna ukwazi ngemithi bafuna ukwazi ngama-price. We didn't share. One, sibhadala tax, they don't. Two, impande iyahlonishwa. ehlanjululwa la hleli khona impande bayayenza le migomo yempande bayalandela imithetho yempande na kuyongena ugogo ofresh obuye kuthwaseni akazi eminye yemigomo because ngiyaxolisa ezinye izinto abogobela abasifundisi abasitsheli ngiyafika mina ngifresh ngibuye ephehlweni ngiyoyithenga leyo mpande angazi ukuthi nangifike ekhaya kufanele ngihlambulule impande kungena umuntu wesifazane ushisayo uyobamba leya mpande not long ngithumele umuntu ngoba bengibhizi endlini ngathi ngicela ngithengele ithemba lamadoda banginikeza umhlolo bogogo kube ngihlekile leyabhiza mhlambe ngabe nginesidingo manje zonke lezo zinto lezo bafethu asilwi nayo but izinto esikhala ngazo ngiyothwala iqala mina gogo Sibahle ngoba wena uthengisa into ongayi-understand. Secondly, la kunempande khona kunemithetho niyayazi leyo mthetho niyayilandela na asilwi nayo kodwa impilo yethu neziguli zethu ibalulekile kunezimpande esinganazo la ekhaya and I'm pressed for time angeke ngikhona ukufika eFaragate ngiya ekhemist ngiyofuna leyo mpande leyo tufanele leyo mpande leyo iphuphile or leyo mpande leyo seyimbethwe yimimoya so asilwi nani siyacela ngiyabonga.
Le business yaqala abazali more than 50 years ago and lana eWitbank beloku irana yibo kuba ulohlelo kwamaphanga uma kukhulunywa ngama-chemist ayithuba wakhona system eWitbank okuyibo lapho so sonke lesikhathi besihamba kahle sikhona ukudla sikhona ukudlisa nabanye futhi mara uyabona I think since 10 years ago kufika abafowethu utshintsho liyadabukisa yeah and manje kakhulu manje izinye izinto ebezineqiniso manje sesihamba sezinamanga ngokuthi manje nomunye naye ufika nolwazi elakho omunye ufake omunye akasifake asazi nathi and futhi la kusasa manje sekubekwa thina ukuthiwa yithina esinika abantu izinto engingasiyizo kungukuthi manje umuntu makanika umuntu into eyobhedo abo ngiyithole lapha then ke sespendo ngopendo okungasiyo